Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing the FS-iA i6S radio control for RC quadcopters, drones, planes, whatever. So let's just get this open and get right into the video. Alright, so we first have some styrofoam, or some, foam right here. Not sure if that's tape. No, alright, so this, it actually comes out like this. And yeah. So first thing right out of the box is just the packet. So anyways, yeah, here it is. Looks like this, it lifts up and oh, there we go. Alright, this looks really nice. Yeah, this is very nice. Wow, this is so smooth and good grip on these. And wow. I believe this is a 10-channel remote. And yeah. But yeah, there's a bunch of different things. Before I put batteries in, let's just see what else is in here. So we have this. Oh, this is perfect. I'm going to be using this in the next video where I'm going to be removing the there's pretty much a spring in here which makes it so the throttle keeps going in the middle, and I don't want that. I want it so the throttle can go up and down, and this I'll use in that video. So if you want to watch that video, the link's in the description or it's in the top corner. Alright, we also have, here's the receiver, the FS-iA6B Receiver. This is what I'm going to be using for my RC planes and this remote. And then we have this, so you can plug it in for simulators and stuff. And it looks like that is everything. They actually removed the mount for holding your phone, I think. Yeah, they removed that from the package. You can see how it's supposed to be right here, but it didn't come with the one that I got. That's too bad, but it is good that it has this. This will help me in the next video, so yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna get some batteries and turn this thing on. Alright, so yeah, this takes 4 AA batteries. So here we go. Let's turn it on, I'm pretty sure. Press both power buttons. Alright, so now it is on. Oh, yeah, and this is a touch screen. That's cool. Alright. You can see when I move that. Here, let's see. You can see when I do things like this, it shows the different channels. And let's see. What can I do? Alright. So yeah, this is just touch screen. I can just slide through. That's really nice. Alright. Alright, so I just charged up my battery for a little bit and connect it to my ESC. That way I can hopefully get this to work, because it says I need to connect the power to any channel for it to work. So I'm just gonna plug in this. Alright, there we go. Alright, it just connected. There we go. I just had it plugged in the wrong way. Alright, so now you can see it says RX binded, and yeah, so now let's do a test with a servo. Alright, so I just connected my servo. I think it's channel 4, so now let's do a test. Alright, you can see it's moving. So yeah, there we go. Got everything working. Now, yeah, so that's basically it. This is the Just a nice remote. I really like it, and I'm going to be making a ton of videos with it. Yeah, alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to be making a ton more videos. And I'm going to be removing that little part of the little spring in here. That way the throttle isn't stuck right here. So that video will be in the description or right in the top corner. So, yep. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.